Have you ever bought something for less than you were actually willing to pay? That gap is what economists call consumer surplus. In economics, surplus represents a benefit or extra value created by a transaction that goes directly to the buyer. Think of it as the difference between the maximum price a consumer is willing to pay and the market price they actually pay. Understanding this concept helps explain why competition is good for shoppers. When companies compete, they often lower prices, increasing your surplus. While you enjoy consumer surplus, the seller enjoys producer surplus. A healthy market balances these benefits for both sides of the trade. As the market price decreases, the consumer surplus grows because the gap between your maximum willingness to pay and the cost widens. Ultimately, it is a simple way to visualize the hidden value you capture every time you find a great deal on something you need. If this helped you understand market mechanics, like and subscribe for more basics. Educational content, not financial advice.